Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic in the gig economy world: Uber Eats versus Instacart. Which pays more? First is, what are these platforms? Uber Eats is a food delivery service by Uber that lets drivers pick up and deliver meals from restaurants using a car, bike, or scooter, earning per delivery plus tips. On the other hand, Instacart is a grocery delivery platform where shoppers pick and bag groceries from stores, then deliver them to customers, earning both delivery fees and tips. And now, let's compare their pros and cons. Uber Eats drivers' pros: pay per deliver plus customer tips, flexible scheduling with no shifts, option for instant payouts with fees, switch between Uber rides and Eats, and simple pickup drop off process. When it comes to its cons, it has an earning can be inconsistent per order, high driver competition in busy areas, often peak time bonuses are unpredictable, and small orders can mean lower pay. On the other hand, Instacart shoppers. Pros: can earn more per order, especially large baskets. Tips often higher than food for delivery. Guaranteed minimum earnings for batches and more control over routes and order batching. When it comes to its cons, it requires shopping time plus delivery, heavy lifting and walking inside stores. Schedule blocks may be needed for batchers. App errors, inventory issues can slow you down. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.